the latest design of Honiton for this year, GearWrench.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you our new product.
GearWrench is the new generation of combination wrench. The reforming of its shape upgrades the function of wrench. First, look at its shape. The shape of GearWrench is very special. It's a combination wrench but not like the normal one. As you can see, the box inside has extra space without tooth, and the open end side is an enclosed ring. Following, we are going to introduce the advantage of this design. When you travel by normal wrench, you have to lift up every time.
Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Oh, it's time consuming.
To solve the speed problem, people invent GearWrench. With GearWrench, you can satisfy for its speed, but you can't deny that it still has a drawback. When the nuts don't have enough pressure, the gear will stop working.
Oh, it stopped working.
Both problems won't happen in GearWrench. As we can see, reforming on the box inside, it gives the ring extra space without tooth for traveling. Unlike the normal wrench, you don't have to pull out every time. Also, not like GearWrench, it will not hold back by loose nuts.
GearWrench satisfy me.
After learning from GearWrench's box inside, now let's see the open inside. The enclosed ring design upgrades the open inside stroke from its original 2.3 in to 4.3 in.
As we can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
In this way, the straight equally spreads on 4 points. Each point takes less pressure than before, which can reduce the chance of deforming. Also, because of its 4.3 in and smaller open inside designs, by shortening the pullback distance, which can travel nuts faster.
Oh, so fast!
An unexpected function of GearWrench. You can travel nuts in limited space because of its shorter jaw. Compared with normal open inside, when you travel nuts in limited space, you will stuck by its space restriction.
Oh, it's stuck!
You can get a better solution of this problem by using GearWrench. GearWrench let us use it much faster and more efficient. Our GearWrench size is from 8 to 19, also with case shape. This is our GearWrench